Okay, this is lesson 18, and we're doing some more estimates, estimating the quotient for the problems that we're going to do. So remember when we were doing that the last time, we tried to round to numbers where we could divide them evenly. So let's look at number 1B on your homework. Okay, so we want to take 23 and we'll round that to 20. And then we're thinking about this number and what number could be divided equally by 20 or 2. So I'm thinking, oh, let's just round it down to 2,000, okay? Okay, on 1E, we're looking at 66, so let's round that up to 70. And then we could also, this number, we could round it to 2,800. Because I know that 28 can be evenly divided by 7. Okay, let's do 1K and then just see if you can do the rest on your own. So I'm going to round 91 to 90, and I'm thinking, oh, what number could be divided by 9 equally? And I know that 81 can, so I'm going to just round this to 8,100 and divide. Okay, now see if you can do the rest on your own. Just think about what you already know about multiplication and division. Okay, on the back we have a few word problems. So let's look at the first one. Number 2 says that there are 91 boxes of apples and they hold a total of 2,605 apples. Assuming each box has the same number of apples, we're going to estimate the number of apples that are in each box. So we're doing the same thing. We're taking 2,605 divided by 91, and we're just going to do some estimating. Okay, so I'm going to round 91 to 90. And I'm thinking of my multiplication facts. And I know that 27 can be divided by 9. So I'm going to round this to 2,700. And then I'm going to find my estimate. Okay, so on number 3 in your homework, you have a little chart there that you need to fill out. And it says a wild tiger can eat up to 55 pounds of meat a day. About how many days would it take for a tiger to eat the following prey? So let's just take the first one, and then you can probably do the rest if I show you. So they can eat eland antelope. And so that animal weighs 1,754 pounds. And so they can eat 55 of those pounds every day. So we need to divide it by 55, but it says about how many. So we want to estimate here. So let's take the 50, let's think about our numbers here. We could go, we could take 55, we could go up to 60, and then we could take this, round this up to 1,800. And I'm doing that because I know that 18 can be divided equally by 6, okay? And then you would just do that on each one. You would do your estimation, so about, and the answer to this would be how many pounds they could eat, how many the number of days, because they can eat this many pounds in one day. So that you would say that they could eat about they could eat this antelope in about 30 days.